In this video, we are going to see how we can open a KMZ file in Google Maps. So if we talk about the desktop version, you can easily open the KMZ file, edit them, delete them, and all changes can be easily made in the desktop version. But if you're using this on an Android or iPhone, there are some restrictions in opening the KMZ file. So what we basically need is the Google Earth app. So if you don't have this, you need to install this Google app, Google Earth. Let's just quickly install this. And now the app is installed. I'll just open this up. And here, if we click on the local, you can click on new. And here you can see as soon as we clicked on new, you can simply open a local KML file. You can create a new local KML file as well. And even if you want to import any project or a file from the drive, or let's say that you have this on your device in the mobile phone, you can open that as well. So let's click on open file from the project. So here I don't have the KMZ file locally available, but in this case I will just create a new one, sample KMZ, and you can save this on your device. Now whenever you want to open this, you can click on new, you can click on open KML file, and you can explore that and open that directly in the Google Earth. So basically that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.